Well, today at church, two guys, Kevin and Kenny, gave me an idea. Now, I have a major problem. Well, I have lots of major problems that I'm working on. Anyways, I have a steep ditch and I have back trouble, so for me to mow it is extremely difficult and even impossible. So I came up with an idea. Let's put the lawnmower on the tractor and mow it with, the bucket. So today I strapped the lawnmower onto the bucket. So I have to say, I think it worked pretty fair for what it is, and I didn't even make a trip to Menards. I didn't spend any money on the project. I used what I had here. So I hope you find the video interesting. Cooper, Brady, oh my babies. Well, revision A didn't work. Now this is revision B. So I don't really like it, but we're gonna give it a dry run, kind of see. If it doesn't work, well, okay, the lawnmower's going. Let's test her out. Now, I'm only gonna pull backwards. It seems to be working, but unfortunately the bucket is and the wheels are packing down the grass. But since my back doesn't work, this is gonna have to do. This is pretty tall grass, and I got the wheels on the mower set on high. Now only the front wheels are touching the ground. Got a couple rocks in the way. as you can tell, this is some pretty steep terrain to mow, and I normally don't mow this area, but for some reason I got a bug up my butt.